Today I'm going to show you how to make wrapping paper out of an old book. Sometimes it's hard to be sustainable, like when it comes to holidays and birthdays and you have to wrap presents. The easiest thing is to grab some wrapping paper that you bought at the store or a roll or whatever. If you have some time to plan ahead, you can make a bunch of sheets wrapping paper that you can use all year round. And I'm going to show you how to do that today.
Okay, for this project, you definitely want to use trash books. That is, books that are damaged, that aren't good for reading. Maybe they've got a funny smell, or they're broken, or their spines are ripped, or their pages are ripped. Like I've got here, I've got 2 books that are just seeing better days. So to get started, we're just going to use our X-Acto knife, and you can use a ruler if that will help. And as straight as you can, you want to cut out your book pages and try and make them as uniform as possible. For each single sheet of wrapping paper that I'm making, I'm going to be using 24 pages from the book that I glue together. Once your pages are cut from your book, you can start to assemble them. I start by laying out the pages and gluing just 2 pages together at a time. I'm using tacky glue for this. You could use any white glue. I do like using the white glue for this project rather than a glue stick. I think the white glue really adheres the papers together a little bit better. We're just going to glue all our pages together in sets of 2, and then we'll go on to gluing those together and so on until we get one sheet of 24 book pages. And here's a little trick. I'm using a roll of tape to hold my glue bottle upside down while I'm gluing. This way the glue stays towards the tip and I don't have to wait for the glue to run down towards the tip every time I want to use it. So we're going to continue to glue our 2 book pages together until we have 12. And after that, we're going to take the 2s and put them together and make our little set of 4 pages. Once we have all our sets of 4 glued together, we should have 6 of those. Okay, we're going to continue putting our sheets together. Once we have our sets of 4, we're going to glue 3 of those together in a row. So now we've got our 2 sets of wrapping paper that include 12 book pages, and we're going to glue these together so that they make one giant piece of wrapping paper. Once our sheets are all glued together and the glue is dry, we can decorate. So I'm just using some stamps here. You can use stamps, paint, watercolor, whatever you want to do to just give these pages a little bit of color or a little bit of interest. And once you're done decorating your paper, you can just use a roll or any kind of tube to wrap your paper around it and create your own little roll of wrapping paper. And here I have 3 sheets that I've done, 3 different patterns, and I'm ready to roll these up and put these away for when I need to wrap something.
So our wrapping paper is all decorated and rolled up and ready to stash away for when we need it. And wouldn't it feel great to wrap your gifts with something you made yourself? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.